here are some of the best websites with premium top quality mockups if you want to push your portfolio on a whole new level. Disclaimer, these are paid mockups, but if you want to attract big clients, then these resources are for you. So the first one is benditomockups.com. Now these guys got mockups from day-to-day life quite a bit, and they have like this retro feel and look to it. They look a little bit more underground, but they are really modern at the same time, and they are really clean and well composed. I mean, for me, this style is my favorite. And these are the type of mockups that are more timeless, and it's a little bit more urban oriented. Next, we got the mockup.mason. Now, if you scroll down, you also can find like really clean mockups and modern mockups. And here we got all the categories. And for example, I'm gonna select the apparel and bags. Now, you always need fresh apparel mockups and updated apparel mockups. And these guys come in with a totally new approach. These clothings on the mockups do really look expensive, and they have a large variety of scenes where they take photos of these models, which are pretty unique. I'm also going to check out the packaging, and they have a large variety of packaging mockups of all kinds. Let's go on. Next, we got the art-directed.design. I think this is one of the best ones. It has this modern, minimal, industrial kind of style, and it just looks and feels really expensive. You also got a couple of categories, collection and bundles, and you got everything bundled up for a smaller price. And basically you can choose one of these style directions, which are pretty much done in the same style with the same light sources and with the same environments as well, and so on and so forth. Next one is an even more fancier one. This is the showcasebh.com. And here we got the most minimalistic looking mockups, where basically most of them are shot in studios, and they just got the most cleanest and luxurious mockups. And I'm gonna go here to the menu, and here we got the subcategories. I'm gonna go to branding mockups. And check this out. So we got like these stationary bundles, of course, including with all kind of scenes as well. But these are looking top tier. And when you buy these, you're gonna need to have some designs that are also looking top tier. So when you combine the best design with the best mockups, it is going to create something extraordinary. And these mockups are definitely for that. I mean, pure perfection. Next is formatmockups.com, and let's see what we got here. Now this one is a little bit more underground, and they got more unusual mockups, because let's be honest, where are you gonna use these mockups anyways? I mean, they look incredibly good. I'm in love with each of these, but take that in mind that the clients won't necessarily need these. So these are really good for personal projects. I mean, look at this cup with nails. These are like really specific, which, let's be honest, is construction related, but they look really sick. And at least let's not forget from mrmockup.com. Now this is nothing new. You might say it's a little bit more outdated, but it still works and it's really good. And they got a couple of really nice mockup bundles on a lower price. For example, let me check out this one, device mockups. And you get the whole thing presented on a landing page, all the mockups separately, versus decorated with graphics. There's also an apparel mockup. This is an apparel mockup. Again, it's still up to date. It still works. You still got the option. And pretty much these are the top 6 mockup sites which are paid. Thanks for watching.